Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Princess Belle filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Tap on the screen to get some eyelashes. Okay, so to get this filter on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Sasha is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. So check in her filter gallery. She is having lots of filters. So scroll down until you find this Belle. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not finding the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.